Create your album layouts. Now let's see how easy it is to create your album layouts using the automatic layout functionality of SDS. The automatic layout option is the fastest way to create your album. It provides a complete starting point, while still allowing you to make further adjustments later using the free Edit Layout option. When I drag an image onto the page, it is automatically placed into a layout position. At the same time, several alternative layouts are generated, allowing me to quickly choose a different option if the first one does not suit my design. When I drag a second image onto the page, the layout automatically changes again. New alternative layouts are generated based on the images currently placed on the page. In this example, we have one horizontal and one vertical image. The same process happens every time I add a new image. Every image that I place on a page becomes slightly faded in the image library. This helps me easily identify which images have already been used in my layouts. When I double-click on an image, I enter zoom mode. You can see that the image is selected because the blue selection indicator starts rotating around it. While in zoom mode, you can use the plus and minus buttons on the image to zoom in or out. You can also drag the image with your mouse to position it exactly where you want. When you are satisfied with the result, simply click outside the image or press Enter to exit zoom mode. Now let's move to the second spread. I will drag these images onto the page and select a different layout template. Next, I will select these two images and use the swap option to exchange their positions. As you can see, there are many tools available in the top toolbar of the application. For example, by selecting Fill Color, I can change the background color of the spread. Let's set it to black. Then, I will select these images, open the Effects panel, and add a small white stroke around them. You can learn more about each of these tools by exploring the Help section of the application. This is how the Auto Layout functionality of SDS helps you create professional album layouts quickly and efficiently. Now let's see the Auto Fill Spreads feature, which can populate all the spreads of your album with images in just a few seconds. First, we will clear the current spread using the Clear Spreads button. Next, we open the Auto Fill Spreads panel. As you can see, there are several available options. For this example, we will choose the option to place a specific number of images on each spread. Let's select 4 images per spread, and then click the Create Album button. As you can see, all 20 spreads of the album are created automatically in just a few seconds. Of course, you can still add or remove images from any spread at any time. Now that you know how to create layouts automatically, the next video will show you how to use the free Edit Layout to take full control of your design.